name is Jonah Leopas.
And we are assigned to discuss the class diagram. So now, let's read the definition of class diagram. So what is class diagram? A class diagram is a type of structure diagram in the Unified Model language. So this means that it is a structure that shows represents the structure of the systems by modeling its classes, attributes, operations, and the relationship between them. So in short, class diagram is a blueprint. So this will help the developers in creating their system. So by using this diagram, the developer will understand. So by using this diagram, it helps the developer in understanding what the system is all about and how to develop it.
And it also uses the object-oriented programming, and it shows or represents the structure of the system, specifically the code. And it shows as what Jonah said, that it shows the classes, the types of objects, and attributes, and also the methods. And let's go over with our diagram.
So this is the example diagram of a class. So we relate this into our system, which is the Smart ID scanning system. So as you can see here, we have different classes, including the user, scanner device, Smart ID, ScanLab classes, admin classes, security alert classes, and analytics classes. So for example, a user has the attributes of its name, ID, and the department. So next is we also have the scanner device. So it scans the student's information and then sends the data into the system. So that's how the class diagram works in our system, specifically in our smart ID scanning system. So that's all for our class diagram. So next is let's proceed to the risk assessment, which will be discussed by Sharon Lee Conte and Angelica Joy Toyoka.
Joy Toyoka.
And I am Sharon Lee Conte.
And today we will discuss about the risk assessment analysis.
The risk assessment analysis is a process of evaluating potential, their likelihood, and potential impacts. So it involves identifying hazards, analyzing their potential harm, and determining the appropriate response of mitigation strategies. This process is crucial for businesses, organizations, and individuals to understand and manage potential risks.
So when we say risk assessment analysis, it is used to systematically evaluate the potential risks that could affect the safety and the integrity of your study. It also helps the researchers to identify potential threats that can also affect the data collection and safety for the respondents.
So I'm here to present the system architecture. So system architecture is an overall design structure showing how to work together and to perform tasks to meet our goals. So this is our diagram. So first is our title, Smart ID Scanning System and Security and Data Analytics for Security Time Campus. So first is QR scanner. So it is an input device used to scan a student's ID QR codes. And second is React Admin Dashboard. So it is to monitor records, view logs, and manage data. And Renew.js plus Express. So it handles all the scan data that connects the database. So for PC and smartphone, so it is to store logs for each scan ID, including student information. So for analytics, so it's to analyze data, including like the numbers of entries per day or peak hours. And lastly, for security layers, so it ensures all the data transfer and access are protected using encryption or EAS.
of the network model. So network model refers to a representation of the network components, their interactions, and the communication flows with the RESTful system. It focuses on the distributed nature of the system, detailing how clients, servers, and other infrastructure elements communicate over a network, typically using HTTP or HTTPS protocols. So a network model in a RESTful system shows how different parts of the system like clients, servers, and other components connect and interact over a network. It describes how they communicate using protocols like HTTP or HTTPS and highlighting the distributed nature of the system.
So, good afternoon. So today I am going to present our network model. So, the ID scanner, client device, network, switch, router, the server, analytics dashboard, the server, or firewall. So, first the ID scanner. So, the ID scanner will scan the ID and it is the entry of all data. So, the client device. So, this computer is used by the users or admin to view or interact with the system. So, third, network switch router. So, this is the traffic flow of our system and it is the connected on our own devices. So, database server. So, database server is all the data is collected in this server. So, analytic dashboard. So, analytic dashboard is aware that where our data were visualized. So that's the firewall. So the firewall is serve as an security of our system and it prevents to access unauthorized person.